Hi everyone, this is Ben with WTI. I want to tell you what I like about the Piscifun rain suit. Let me share a few of my thoughts. My wife bought this set for a recent trip to Iceland. Not only did it keep her dry in all sorts of inclement weather, but she stayed nice and warm too. It comes in this very compact travel bag, which is great when you're bringing it on vacation. So the jacket's like a shell, just to keep the rain out and to go over your warm clothes. It has big, wide arms and a concealable hood and a nice thick zipper here in the front. The pants have a nice elastic waistband and big, wide legs, so you can just slide it on over whatever your pants are, and this again will keep your pants and legs from getting wet, which is a real probability in certain weather. So if you've got a hiking trip, a camping trip, a fishing trip, or you're traveling somewhere where there's a decent amount of rain and wind, I highly recommend the Piscifun rain suit. It works great, it's at a great value, and that's my point of view.